are you?
I'm fine.
Good. I'm glad you're fine. Nice to meet you.
Hello, nice
I'm
to meet you.
fine.
Okay, welcome home.
Thank
This is my
you.
place.
This is your place?
This is my
Well,
place.
thank you. Thank you. Nice to be here.
And so, after a long spell of drought, I had my system here. So the ones who were left, the ones that were left, are the ones that I started, and I'm adding them slowly. You see, this one, there were so many, but the drought was so severe that almost killed everything. So I'm now beginning again.
Yeah.
That's why you see, the new ones are germinating.
Oh, great.
And I'm also trying to put some seedlings. I'm also trying to put some beds so that I can develop the other side. Most of them were taken away by drought. This is my coconut line. So
okay.
my next coconut, I've already dug a hole there where I plant the next coconut.
Are we planting that tomorrow?
Yes.
All right.
That tomorrow.
All right.
You will have to plant it.
Oh.
And then my banana will be planted there because I've set up a trench where I have the running water from the roofing always run toward that side. So I put it up in front of this banana because the water always passes there. So that's the hole where I'm planting my banana.
Okay.
The space was so small there, so I talked to my parents, to my mother, and she allowed me to use this place. So I think that I'm planning to extend my system in this whole area. In fact, I had started by that side, but I had planted some oranges along this bed. When the drought comes, took them away, but the ones that are left, I'm still retaining them, and I'm still planning to add some more. So after agreeing that I can use the place, now I'm expanding the system slowly, bit by bit, and I hope that next time when you come to visit me, the whole place will be full.
Evergreen.
Will be evergreen. Yeah. During drought, most of these people who are working with their cows are always using this road. So when I'm always away, their cow intend to come in and destroy me.
Yeah.
So I start to confine the area, and inside the fence, you can come and see. I planted Lucina all along until the end, so that the Lucina can also act for me as an edge first, and also as a feeder for our cows. And then it can also help me to stop these people from invading my place.
Yeah.
So you planted Lucina?
Yes.
You can see them.
These are all Lucina.
You planted the seeds?
Yes, I plant the seeds.
And this is going to be very good. And you'll have a lot of supply for